O a mea o I totonu o lo atolotu. What's in your church bag? O le tusi paia, a Bible. O le tusi pese, a hymn book. O le ili, a fan. O le pulu, chewing gum. O le telefone fe aveai, a mobile phone. Atolotu means church bag. Vangu means bottle. Wu'u means oil. Mili means rub. Fangu'u. Fangu'u means coconut oil. Te evae toso toso. Jandals. You can wear them to the faleoloa, the shops. You can wear them to lotu, church. You can wear them to the matawhanga, the beach. Sekia se evae toso toso. Jandals are right on. Au meila upea. Bring my pair. Pair se evae? Pair of shoes? Leai. Pair lava lava? Leai. No. Bear? Leai. No. Bear? Ioi. Yes, that bear.
Sunga ta o ilesiva. Hey girl, you want to go to the dance?
Ioi. Tao. Yes, let's go.
Ofu tinu, shirt. Ofu vai popu'u, shorts. Se vai toso toso, jandals.
Ofu sama sama, yellow dress. Te evae muli uumi, high heels. Juhu! Ua tale fia. What time is it? Ua tale iwa. It's 9 o'clock. Ua amata le aonga. School has started. Ua tale fia. What time is it? Ua afa le sefulu lua. It's 12:30. Lunchtime. Ua tale fia. What time is it? Ua tale tolu. It's 3 o'clock. Ua tu ua le aonga. School has finished. Au mai le ula. Bring me the ula. O le ula lea. This ula? Leai, no. O le ula lea. This ula? Leai, no. O le ula lea. Ioi, yes, that ula. Ha ha. Ula also means joke.